everyone. Today we're going to be doing some work on the Hayabusa. We're finally installing the new SC exhaust we got. Painted the mufflers black because they had the logo on there. I just wanted them all black. Undecided if I want to paint them black, but also think I want to paint those black too. And we're all done. New exhaust is on. I think I'm gonna flame-proof paint the section of stainless exhaust because I like it all black. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video.